Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We back today. We're gonna be doing a quick one, real quick concealer and contour, no foundation. So it's gonna be quick today. Get ready with me. I'm not really going nowhere, but I'm getting ready to leave the house. So yeah, let's get ready. Just set in my face. Okay, first let's start with concealer. And I'm going to be using the NARS concealer in the shade Hazelnut. And this one is closer to my normal skin tone without foundation. So I'm going to need a brighter one. But my brighter one that I usually use is gone. So I'm going to have to try my new one that I got that was the wrong shade. And it's a little bit yellow, but we're going to see what they do. Now, let me not blend it out. Then I'm going to do my contour. And if you see my face peel, it's because I put on the serum. And the serum does not mix well with other ingredients at all. It does it every time. Let's blend this out. Next, we're going to blend out the concealer.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work.
And we're going to do a little bit more. And I might get another new concealer. Because the NARS is just not doing it for me. You know when you use something too long, you just get tired of it. So I think I'm going to look for a new one. Right now I got the L. I might just go back to my Co-Pop because I like that one. And that's the one I lost. Because like it's not really coverage. It's not full coverage. And I thought it was. But next we're going to be using the Elf Camo Concealer. And this one, she's rough. She's not forgiving. Too much of her, your face gonna be messed up. You see how many dots I can get out of just two little small dots? She don't play. She's thick. But we can put a lot. There we go. We can do a little bit more. Right there. Okay, and for powder, we're going to set it and then we're going to powder. Powder, instead of my color, we're going to be using a translucent color this time, since the translucent is, the color one is a little too dark. We're going to be using the translucent. Dab it off. She's cute. She's cute. She's cute. We just gonna know that right there. I don't know. My eye back is just bad today. And it's okay. We're gonna ignore it. And under, we might use a little bit of my eyelid because we don't want that super bright. Period. And sorry I'm moving fast, but I'm getting picked up and I gotta go. I got to go. And next we're gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna do a glossy look today. I'm feeling glossy. I'm gonna be starting off with the Mocha Mama bronzer. Cute perm. Then we're gonna darken it. Well, we can just do the gloss, the lipstick. And this one is the Juvia's Place lipstick. I tried it on and I thought it was a little too brown. It's like on its own. Just what I say. Let's use that. Like a rich brown. That's cute. This reminds me of high school. I used to do my makeup like this in high school. I used to do glossy lids. 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm pulling up to school in a full face. And a glossy lid. Why? I don't know. It kept me motivated to go to school in the morning. But I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. See that eats. She's not sharp on this side, but this eats. Curve. Let's do it under. Mocha Mommy under the eye. I might just leave it at. And let me clean it up on the side. That's better. And then let me hurry up and bronze. And then we're gonna be finished. Eyebrows, do not worry about her. I don't do my eyebrows when they're drawn out. I just don't do it. That's blush. I don't know. Cause it's very brown. I'm liking the brown without the pink. Well, it's bronze. And I'm using, well, the Fenty Mocha Molly. Cute. Now let me do my lips. Align my lips. And my ride is outside. Fuck. Gotta go. And that's the look for today, guys. Sorry it's a big cut and my hair is freezing up. But yeah, that's the end of the look. It been raining and it got on my face. And it's a little messed up. But that's okay. Because it was good when I got done. Y'all seen it. The rain that got to me and the humidity. And that's okay. See y'all next time. Like and subscribe. Bye.